Today we're making honey garlic chicken lettuce wraps. This meal was inspired by the Korean dish Sam. We've got broiled chicken served inside of a lettuce boat with rice, caramelized onions, pickled carrots, and a sriracha mayo sauce to go over the top. First things first, we need to make our chicken marinade, and we're going to do that by mixing together soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sriracha, honey, and minced garlic. Once the sauce is mixed together, add in 2 pounds of chicken and toss it around to coat evenly. We're going to store this in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes and allow it to marinate while we prep our other ingredients. Prepare enough rice to have 2 cups of cooked rice. If you don't have a rice cooker and you do a lot of prepping, I would highly suggest buying one. You get perfect rice every time with ease. Take your onion, peel it, cut it in half, and then cut it into thin slices the long way. Next, you're going to take 1 or 2 carrots and using a vegetable peeler, go down the length of the carrot and create ribbons. The vegetable peeler is key here because we need thin slices for the pickling process and because nobody wants to bite into large pieces of carrot when they're eating their lettuce wraps. Come on. It's best to prepare these carrots the night before so that they have time to pickle, but you can get by with it if you don't want to do that. To make your pickling liquid, you're going to add 1 part water, 1 part vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix that together, add in your carrots, and allow them to pickle while you prep the rest of your ingredients, or overnight if you want to do it the right way. For the actual lettuce wrap, I have the recipe written to use romaine lettuce. Butter lettuce would also be a good choice. Clean out any of the gross leaves that you don't want to eat, then cut off the bottom, and you're going to wash each of the leaves under the sink and then dry them on a paper towel. When it comes to cooking the chicken, I prefer to use the air fryer because I think it gives you the best color and char. I have the recipe written to use the oven because I know a lot of you guys don't have air fryers. When I use the air fryer, I cook the chicken on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping it halfway through. One important note when you're using your air fryer is not to crowd the basket. Air fryers rely on circulation of air to cook the food properly, and if you overcrowd that basket, it's not going to cook well. No worries if you're air fryerless though, we can do this in the oven just as well. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees, place the chicken on a sheet pan and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. Then you're going to remove that pan, add in your sliced onions, turn the oven to broil, and put it back in on the top shelf. Make sure you watch it closely though because it will be prone to burn. Once the chicken has finished cooking, cut it into thin slices and season lightly with salt. If you decide to go with the air fryer cooking method, you'll likely have to do 3 batches of cooking, 2 for the chicken to make sure you're not doing any overcrowding, and then 1 for the onions. You can take your onions and mix them in the remainder of the marinade for extra flavor. Place them in your air fryer and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Once they come out, you can season them lightly with salt. I actually prefer the oven method for cooking the onions because they get stuck in the grates of the basket, and I think they get a little bit better caramelization in the oven. To make the sriracha mayo, you're going to mix together 3 tablespoons of mayo, 2 teaspoons of sriracha, and then add water to thin out the consistency. Don't go skipping making this now because I think the sriracha mayo might be the best part of this whole recipe. The best way to serve this is family style. Prepare all of your ingredients and let everybody just have at it. Cut up all your chicken into thin slices, prepare all of your lettuce cups, have a bowl for rice, have a bowl for the onions, the sriracha mayo, the carrots, and salt. To construct the lettuce wraps, the lettuce goes down first, add a layer of rice to each, top with chicken, caramelized onions, pickled carrots, a drizzle of sriracha mayo, and season with salt over the top to taste. This recipe serves about 5 people. It's likely you'll have leftover lettuce, rice, and carrots, but that just gives you the perfect excuse to make it again tomorrow. I'll put a link in the description for my website where you will find this recipe, including the nutritional estimates for this recipe, as well as hundreds of other recipes for your meal prepping and snacking needs.